Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to create this halo eye for you guys. I saw a few on Instagram. I keep seeing halo eyes, so I was like, let me do another one. And these colors just kind of came to me. So if you want to see how to create this look, keep on watching. So we're going to start by using Morphe's eyelid primer in translucent. So you want to set this as soon as possible, and I'm going to use Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder and this Real Techniques brush to just set that really quickly. Don't mind my funky eyebrows. I'm just trying that Benefit Crisp and Wisp brow. It's like a new one. Thought I'd try it. This look doesn't have to happen. You can do regular brows, don't worry. So we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm going to start by using this brown, that's the second row, 4th color, on a Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush. Kind of bring that up to the brow bone, just to really blend it in. Next, I'm going to go in with this reddish orange color, and that is the second row, 5th color. On the same brush, we're just going to take a little bit of that and just warm up that color a little bit. Bring it into the same area, just keep it a little bit lower. Don't forget to take a clean blending brush and blend out any lines that might be created. Next, we're going to go in with this brown, and that's the 4th row, last color. I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever 218 brush. Don't worry about getting it on the lid because we're going to be doing a cut crease. So you can work the color into your outer V and inner V a little bit because we're going to be putting this color there. Also use that A6 to blend the brown into those 2 previous colors. Next, we're going to cut the crease using Smashbox Photo Finish Lead Primer in white. And we're just going to cut the middle. I'm just going to put a bit on my hand using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 flat concealer brush. I'm just going to grab some of that primer. Sometimes, especially when you get to the like squishy skin over here, it's easier to just press it and pull down instead of drawing a line. Next, we're going to set that primer with the very first color in this palette. I'm going to use that same concealer brush. You're just going to pack it on. So once you're done that, we're going to go back in that first brown color, the light brown we used for our crease. And you want to bring it out kind of like a pyramid. and same with the inside. Then we're going to go in with that orange. Just make sure the orange stays behind the brown, but they go in their order. And then we're going to go in with that brown. I'm just going to keep on going until it's blended how you want it. I'm also going to put this lid color in my inner corner, and I'm going to use this Morphe M506 brush. For my under eye, I'm going to go in with that dark brown and just smudge it with this Morphe S20 pencil brush. Just going to take some of that orange and get that in there as well. And I'm going to take another blending brush and just blend those two out. Now I'm going to do a little bit of liner, just a small wing, just to have a line for the lashes. For lashes, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Noelle number 14. So while those lashes are drying, I'm going to do my highlighter, and I'm going to use Huda Beauty's 3D highlighter palette in Golden Sands. And I'm going to be using Tahiti. First, I like to spray my face with any sort of dewy spray, just so that it sticks better. And I'm using NYX's Dewy Finish. And you want to put a lot so that it stays. And I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighter brush. I like to go back in with my finger just to blend out any lines. You want to get the brow bone as well. I'm going to use the same color for that. And now for the lashes. I'm going to push down our lashes like I always do. So now we got to get on some mascara, and I'm going to be using Too Faced Better Than Sex. Now we're just going to fix up the eyeliner if there are any spots missing. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to use NYX Lip Lingerie in Push Up. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. If you're not already following me on Instagram, that's at Chelseasmakeup if you want to check it out. I don't know, up to you. And my Snapchat is at Chelseasmakeups with an S at the end. So I hope I see you guys in my next video. I'm never gonna wave bye because I feel too awkward.